Hey guys, today I'm working with a GE washer and electric dryer matching set. Excellent condition, and right now I've got this one filling up. Pretty heavy jeans and towel load. Got it set to super, but on a light cycle, so it's not going to take too long to wash through it. This set, like I said, it's in excellent condition. And what we'll do is we'll run through, you'll get to see it as it progresses there, get to listen to it. Now a lot of this, if you lift the lid up, it's going to shut it down. It's got a pretty smart lid switch on there, which obviously works, you can hear it. It stops moving that tub around and just kicks more into the water. But you'll get to see that the drain works, that the spin cycle is nice, fast, sounds great. And then we'll move over to the dryer and show you that the dryer also sounds great, runs smooth, and heats like it's supposed to. Kind of as if you were standing here testing this stuff out yourself, that's the point. The washer gets a 28-point inspection, the dryer gets a 22-point inspection. Everything electrical, mechanical, it all gets checked, and everything has to work perfectly before it gets listed up for sale. So we'll allow this to finish filling up and move through that wash cycle, and we'll come back and check it out. Right, and we're going to move out of that wash cycle into the rinse cycle, but you can hear it draining out all the water. So you know that drain works great. We'll let it move through the rinse cycle, and then we'll come back for the spin. Let you listen to that. Alright, and here we are on the final spin cycle. You can hear it spinning nice and fast. You can see it's got nice smooth operation. Now I'm going to lift the lid up, and you'll see that it stops, the lid switch engages, and that everything's spinning nice and fast. Now you're not really supposed to do that, you never want to do that, just washing your clothes, but I do it to show that everything is indeed spinning nice and fast, like it's supposed to. So we'll go ahead and let that finish up, then we'll move on to the dryer. Alright guys, now we're on to the electric matching dryer, and I've got those clothes moved over here. We'll go ahead and close this up. We've got that set on time dry, regular heat, which is just the standard high heat option. Go ahead and turn that off, doesn't really matter. We'll hit go. And as you can hear, it's nice and smooth, sounds great. Things you'd want to listen for would be like vibrations, squeaks or squeals or anything like that. As you can see, this one's nice, smooth, sounds good, and is operating good with no vibrations or anything like that. Then I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to be. So I'm going to give it just a minute to go ahead and warm up, and then I'm going to show you with my temperature gun. So this, in between those two red dots, it's going to give you the surface temperature of whatever it shines on there. You can see a difference. So give this about 5 minutes to heat up, and then we'll shoot it inside and show you the heat. Alright, so it's been a couple minutes here, and we'll go ahead and shine this inside for you so you can see plenty of heat coming out of there. And the heating element is behind this silver plate here, so it kind of depends on where you shoot it, you know, a little different temperature. But the inside of your dryer is going to get anywhere from 95 up to 195. Just kind of depends on what you have your heat setting at. So if you have something a little more delicate, you can switch it here to low heat or no heat, and we have medium heat, and then regular heat would be like your high heat. So we'll go ahead and let that finish up. Go ahead and get these listed for sale, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking time to watch this video. Have a great day. Thanks.